Welcome to the Getting Started video for Glider. This video will cover setup and calibration of your first image. In our example, we've downloaded the glider.zip file onto our desktop. We're opening it in a WinZip program, extracting out the glider directory onto the desktop. Now if you open the glider directory folder, you'll see the executable. In this case for Windows, it's glider.exe. You can double click that to run the application. We start off in the Project Explorer view of Glider. The first thing we need to do is start a new project. If we right click, we can select New Project. In this template, select Project, hit Next. We can give the project a name. In this case, we'll just call it Example. We can use the default location, or we can specify our own directory. For the example, we'll just put a directory on our desktop, so we make a new folder under the desktop, give it a name, click OK, and then finish, and we'll have our new project directory. Now we need to add data to our project. So we right click on our example project, select Import, go to the file system, hit Next. Now we'll browse for some sample imagery that's saved to our file system. Now that we've located the directory that we want to import files from, we select it, we click on that directory, click the checkbox for the file we want to import, click Finish, and this will copy the file into our project. Now we need to select the Modus image we just imported and convert it to Glider. We right click on it and select Convert to Glider. This will pop open a dialog that will allow us to select a file name. By default, it will put a .gld extension on the original file name and put it in the project automatically. We can select some parameters. When we're ready, we select Run, and this will perform the calibration. This is a long operation which may take 5 minutes or longer. When the calibration is finished, you'll see the file with the .gld extension appear in the project. Double-clicking on the file brings up information about the file, spatial location, channels that are in the file, and how they're scaled. Thank you for viewing the Glider setup and calibration tutorial. If you would like to learn more about Glider, the next video in the series is a tutorial on the image view.